Welcome to Inside Elegance, where timeless interiors and refined design inspire beautiful living every day. Today, we're exploring the enduring charm of English Rectory Style, a decorating approach that combines historic character, comforting warmth, and understated sophistication. If you've ever dreamed of creating rooms that feel welcoming, elegant, and deeply connected to tradition, you're in the right place. Before we begin, we'd love to have you as part of our growing community. Please subscribe to Inside Elegance, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing which classic decorating style inspires you the most. Your support helps us continue bringing timeless design inspiration to your home. From centuries-old architectural details to carefully layered furnishings, English Rectory Style celebrates graceful living without unnecessary extravagance. Let's discover how every room can embrace quiet prestige while remaining comfortable, practical, and wonderfully inviting. English rectory interiors are rooted in history, drawing inspiration from traditional country homes where craftsmanship and authenticity take center stage. Their beauty comes not from lavish decoration, but from carefully preserved architectural features and thoughtful design choices that age gracefully over time. Natural materials define the atmosphere. Rich wood, aged stone, brick fireplaces, plaster walls, and solid cabinetry establish an environment that feels permanent, dependable, and full of quiet dignity. These materials develop character with age, making every space more beautiful as the years pass. Rather than chasing trends, this style values timelessness. Every furnishing appears collected over generations, creating interiors that tell stories while maintaining an effortless sense of balance and comfort. Color plays a gentle yet essential role in English rectory interiors. Warm creams, muted sage greens, dusty blues, soft taupes, deep burgundy, and earthy browns establish an atmosphere that feels peaceful and welcoming throughout every season. Instead of dramatic contrasts, the palette relies on harmonious layering. Walls, upholstery, curtains, and decorative accessories blend together naturally, allowing architectural details and quality furnishings to become the true focal points of each room. Touches of antique brass, polished wood, and aged leather introduce depth without overpowering the softness of the surrounding colors. Together, these finishes create refined interiors that feel quietly luxurious rather than overly formal. Furniture in an English rectory home reflects enduring craftsmanship. Solid wood tables, bookcases, sideboards, and cabinets provide both beauty and practicality while showcasing elegant proportions and subtle detailing. Comfort remains equally important. Deep upholstered sofas, classic armchairs, tufted seating, and generously cushioned window benches encourage long conversations, reading, and peaceful afternoons spent enjoying the home's tranquil surroundings. Instead of matching every piece, carefully mixing antique treasures with well-crafted reproductions creates authenticity. The resulting spaces appear naturally assembled over many decades rather than decorated all at once. Textiles soften the architectural strength of English rectory interiors. Linen curtains, wool throws, embroidered cushions, and traditional patterned fabrics introduce warmth while adding subtle visual richness without excessive ornamentation. Books become an important decorative element, filling shelves with personality and intellectual charm. Framed botanical illustrations, landscape paintings, vintage maps, ceramic vessels, and treasured heirlooms further reinforce the home's timeless character. Rather than filling every surface, decorative accessories are thoughtfully curated. This restraint allows meaningful collections to shine while preserving the calm and welcoming atmosphere that defines the style. The living room often centers around a substantial fireplace, where comfortable seating naturally encourages conversation and relaxation. Carefully arranged furniture promotes connection instead of emphasizing entertainment equipment or oversized decorative displays. Dining rooms celebrate tradition through sturdy wooden tables, classic dining chairs, graceful cabinetry, and simple table settings that highlight craftsmanship over elaborate decoration. Every meal becomes an opportunity to enjoy the home's refined surroundings. Reading corners, music rooms, and quiet studies further reflect the peaceful lifestyle associated with English rectory homes. These intimate spaces encourage reflection while reinforcing the enduring beauty of slow, intentional living. Architectural details elevate every room. Crown moldings, paneled walls, traditional fireplaces, built-in bookcases, and elegant doorways provide structure that immediately conveys historic charm and lasting quality. Fresh flowers, seasonal greenery, woven baskets, handcrafted pottery, and polished brass accents introduce gentle moments of life and texture throughout the home. These natural elements prevent traditional interiors from feeling overly formal or museum-like. Above all, English rectory style values authenticity. Every carefully selected piece contributes to an atmosphere where elegance feels effortless, hospitality comes naturally, and history quietly enriches everyday living. English rectory style reminds us that true elegance is built through quality materials, thoughtful craftsmanship, welcoming comfort, and timeless design choices that continue to inspire generation after generation. Its quiet prestige creates homes that feel both distinguished and wonderfully livable. Thank you so much for joining us on Inside Elegance as we explored this beautiful decorating tradition. We hope today's ideas inspire you to bring a sense of historic grace and inviting warmth into your own home, one thoughtful detail at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Inside Elegance, give us a like, and share your favorite English rectory decorating feature in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next journey into timeless interior design.